Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. Now that Shytoshi has come clean, the Shiba Inu population is about to explode. Recent developments at Shib. A tweet from Shiba Inu main developer Shytoshi Kozama in January 2022 sparked rumors about a Shiba Inu holder user. For those who follow the Shib community on Twitter, Shytoshi is dropping hints. Is a new alliance on the way? In his mysterious message, Shytoshi alluded to a conversation he had with his mentor in which they agreed that I will no longer be able to remain invisible beyond the year 2022. As he wrapped up, he said that the real fun starts once it is disclosed. The topic of Shytoshi's recent identity disclosure will be discussed in this video. Going parabolic is the Shiba Inu. Recent developments at Shib. To be updated on our latest content on Shiba Inu prize predictions and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. If this is to be believed, Shytoshi is going to come clean about who he is. But people tend to read between the lines when people reveal their identities, since it goes against what they expect. With a hint that it would be launched soon after the new year, Shytoshi promised on Christmas Eve that Shibarium will be out soon. In order to take Shiba Inu beyond its meme coin status, Shibarium and Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution is essential. Included in this is the capability to host metaverse and gaming applications, as well as the release of the Shib stablecoin, which has been set to $0.01. Shib the metaverse has been featured in a number of recent blog pieces about the Shiba Inu ecosystem, more especially on concept art unveilings of different virtual world locations. Similar to the slump saw with Ethereum and Bitcoin, the Shib token has lost 76% so far this year. Concerns about the future of the Shiba Inu project were sparked on Monday when its anonymous founder Ryoshi removed all of his social media and article contributions. He chose not to address the subject publicly, and his Twitter account is currently offline. The lead developer Shytoshi took to Medium to respond to Ryoshi's apparent departure from Shiba Inu and share his opinions. Shytoshi stated in the post that he was unaware of Ryoshi's whereabouts. Nevertheless, in an effort to allay fears, he said that he would be taking up the project and bringing Ryoshi's goal to fruition. This includes creating Shib meetups and, in the long run, a Shibacon. During the past day, the Shiba Inu price has slid downward on the chart, while Shib has lost 3% of its value. Meme coin also failed to gain ground last week, falling below key support levels and seeing a market value decline of about 6%. The current pattern that Shib has produced suggests that the currency could see an upside breakout within the next day. On the daily chart, there are still bearish indications in the technical outlook. For the better part of this month, sellers have kept the price where it is. If Shib wants to continue its upward breakout, buyers will still need to step in. In the next trading sessions, the coin may decline on its chart before making a comeback if the technical analysis is to be believed, supporting the idea that buyers have stayed low in the market. The trading volume of Shib fell. Almost a year ago, Shib reached an all-time high, and it is currently trading 90% below that level. The current market price for Shib is $0.000000. In the last 7 days, the Shiba Inu price dropped below the support level of $0.00000000. Due of the poor buying power, the Shiba Inu is predicted to drop below the $0.00000000 mark. Its formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern lends credence to the idea that a breakout would cause the coin's value to rise. It is anticipated that the meme coin would break out once it reaches the first local support, which was at $0.00000076. After breaking out, the Shiba Inu price is expected to surge to $0.00000824 USD, and if it manages to clear that level of resistance, it will continue to rise to $0.00000086 USD. Buyer interest was low because fewer Shiba Inu were traded in the previous session. Following the most recent price decline, the relative strength index fell below the 40 level. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that there were more selling than buyers, suggesting a negative market. Additionally, sellers were pushing price momentum in the market as Shib dipped below the 20 simple moving average line, indicating a lack of demand. The meme coin might go above $20 if Shib stays above $0.0000. The odds of Shib's value falling on its chart have been bolstered by other technical indications as well. A parabolic SAR plots the asset's price movement relative to its trend. The price is still in a decline since the indicator was above the price candlesticks. The divergence of the moving averages shows price momentum and possible trend reversals. The MACD indicator was signaling sellers to the market as it kept painting red histograms because of the potential impact on the price of SHIB. That is, generally speaking, 2022 was not a banner year for the cryptocurrency market. The price of cryptocurrencies remained low due to a number of factors, one of which being a prolonged bear market. Compared to their all-time highs, most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and altcoins, are now trading at a 60% to 90% discount. This is also true for Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin. Who exactly is hiding behind that name is currently a mystery. Nevertheless, the screenshot accompanied by intriguing details was published in a recent tweet by Twitter user Shib. In the screenshot, Kusama is seen posting to Discord about his conversation with his mentor. In the message, he mentions that they both agree that being invisible will become impossible by the year's end. Just a few days until the end of the year 2022, the message was sent on January 21, 2022. You can't merely align and disrupt an industry while remaining unseen, he added. After that, the actual enjoyment starts. Whether Kusama keeps his pledge and exposes his true identity to the world is something only time can tell. Shiba Inu is quickly evolving from a meme coin into a blockchain focused on value, despite its original reputation to the contrary. But it can't get there unless it stops. Relying on old technologies like Ethereum, Shibarium, the network's Layer 2 blockchain technology, came into being for that reason. With Shibarium's release, the majority of SHIB transactions that were previously conducted on Ethereum will now be conducted on Shibarium. The main complaints about Ethereum are its expensive gas fees and low throughput capacity, therefore this is a major improvement. The development of the SHIB network has been considerably impeded by these circumstances as Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum. There has been no discernible improvement in its transaction speed. Consequently, improving Shiba Inu's scalability is a goal of Shibarium, which is why the company is working to use Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution. Aside from lower fees and quicker processing times for transactions, Shibarium provides a number of other advantages. The launch of Shibarium, however, will make transaction fees extremely low, and the majority of those costs will go towards the destruction of SHIB tokens. Shibarium will provide a method for burning SHIB tokens based on data provided by the network team. Decreasing the circulating supply of SHIB is one approach to turning it into a utility token. There has been a burn of almost 40% of the SHIB token supply since the network's debut, according to burn data. But there's still too much token in circulation to make it useful as a utility token. Given the current climate in the cryptocurrency industry, where decentralized applications dApps are a big subject, the Shibarium development team is working hard to make their platform a top choice for dApp developers. The developers of Shibarium are confident in the platform's potential to be an agent of change in the metaverse. Proponents of the metaverse see it as a paradigm shift in online interaction and the future of the digital world. Although he has refused to disclose a precise release date, Kusama, the unnamed primary developer of Shib, has promised that the introduction of Shibarium would occur soon. Kusama has said that the debut of Shibarium will happen soon before. For months now, he has been making the same points. The introduction of the Shibarium is expected to increase the value of Shib because to the increased demand for this token. Since Shib's transaction processing speeds are faster and cheaper, the number of use cases will increase. As a result, once Shibarium is live, the Shib community anticipates that Shib will trade at $0.01. The highly anticipated Shiba Eternity game was released early last month as part of the testing phase of Shibarium's performance, according to Shib creators. Ryoshi, the fictitious creator of the Shib, had the idea that bone whale bearers should not have any advantages over other holders of bone. But the dream couldn't come true since ShibaSwap DEX reward tokens were bone. According to the latest data available on the network's website, Bone will also serve as Shibarium's principal utility token. Holders of Shib's utility token, Bone, have the power to vote on the development of projects